how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a skull design with a kind of a cool triangular image, or not image, design in the background. It's gonna be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So stick around for this spooky stuff. We're gonna do it. All right, let's get it started. Whew, one other thing. This is gonna be completely for beginners. If you're a beginner, you can do this. Short video, 6 minutes. That's pretty much it. Let's do it. Gonna go over here. Pull a straight line right there, and that's going to be the top of the eye socket of the skull, and that's kind of the way I like to think about it. I'm going to pull a line over here as well, almost like it's like a dash in a space in a dash. Going to go here on this side, curve, 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 right? We're curving along these edges because we're prepping them to go downward. And I'm going to pull this line straight down on this side. Pull over here straight down this side, curve up, curve up. So it's not going to be a traditional eye socket, honestly. I kind of wanted to change up the shape of it, and so that's kind of what we're with here. Going to go to the center here, maybe about a little bit past half bottom here, and I'm going to draw a line across there. Down over here. Down over here. And then I'm going to draw a curve. Right on. Going to go over here, maybe about to the edge of this eye here, and I'm going to draw a line out. I'm getting ready to draw the cheekbone, so I'm going to pull down. And then it's going to pull downward. Right there. Going to do the same thing on this side. Line out. Down. And I'm going to pull in on that side as well. Cool, cool. Sorry about that. A little tired. I didn't sleep that well. Going to go over here. Maybe halfway. Draw a line. Pull down. Over here on this side. Pull down. Curve, curve here for the teeth. I'm literally kind of doing like a, I don't like that water shape that you do when you're a kid, like boom, 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 boom. Gonna go up here, right there to the side, pulling a line up, in for the brow. Same thing on this side, up, in. Being very designly on this one, you know what I mean? All right, then I'm going to pull up over here for the side of the forehead. Right here on this side, just pull a straight line up, up, slightly curve, slightly curve. And then it's going to be kind of like a, more or less, like that shape, kind of straight, kind of bowl-like. Right on. Going to go over here. Line up, out. That's going to be the design behind it. And line up, out here. And I'm going to go from here and connect those two edges there. And I'm going to pull a straight line across. Go over here on this side. Keep that line going down. So now I'm gonna fill in some stuff, right? I'm gonna grab a less dry marker and I'm gonna fill in the nose, fill in the eyes. You don't have to fill it in if you don't want to, but like I said, pencil or pen, whatever you have, you can just fill it in. There, fill that in. And I'm going to fill in this triangle in the back as well. That one's going to be a little bit tougher because my markers are kind of dry. Like I said, if you want to donate, hit that donate button. I got to keep these. All I do is spend it on markers and editing equipment. Like editing graphics and stuff like that, or just editing stuff. I'm going to fill in this entire shape in the back here. So this might take a little time, so I'll talk to you about random junk. I'm so excited for everything, honestly. But I'm excited for like the next Halloween, to be honest, as well. But yeah, it's been pretty. It's been a pretty good time, honestly. I'm pretty wowed at how cool everything is. Just kind of drawing stuff and being active. I'm gonna post. I'm posting a lot now. I'm posting like 2 stories on the channel, and I'm just being very as active as I possibly can. Right on. And that's pretty much it. What you can do afterward is you can draw like little thin lines here and there for, like you can draw in the teeth if you want. But use thin lines to kind of add detail. Right on. Thank you so much. I appreciate you sticking around. Don't forget, if you stuck around the whole time, hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. I'm going to be putting up stuff every single weekday, or every day pretty much. All right, later. Oh, come back for all that spooky stuff. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.